Alright, you've got a passion, you've got a camera, and you're ready to make your mark on YouTube. But let's be honest, growing a channel in 2026 isn't just about good content anymore. It's about strategy, smart thinking, and leveraging the new tools at our fingertips. If you're in the UK and you're wondering how to stand out, attract more viewers, and actually succeed on YouTube now, then you're in the right place. We're breaking down the 5 essential pillars for 2026. First up, forget what should I make? In 2026, we're asking, what are people searching for that isn't being made well? This is where AI becomes your secret weapon. Step 1 is the YouTube Studio Research tab. Head to your YouTube Studio, click Analytics, then click on Trends to research. Type in a broad topic relevant to your channel, say, gardening or tech reviews, and here's the magic. Filter by content gaps. YouTube itself is telling you what viewers want but can't find. These are gold mines for new videos. Step 2 is Google Trends and local search. Use Google Trends to spot breakout topics in the UK. Combine this with local search terms. For instance, best smart home devices under £100 for a London flat will have less competition than best smart home devices globally. Think local, think niche. Step 3 is AI brainstorming. Use tools like Gemini or ChatGPT. Ask it, what are 10 emerging technology content gaps for a UK audience in 2026 that have few high-quality YouTube videos? It'll give you ideas you hadn't even considered. The takeaway? Stop guessing. Let data and AI show you where the demand is. Gone are the days when YouTube was just about long form. In 2026, vertical video isn't just an afterthought. It's a primary growth driver. YouTube Shorts are no longer just for discovery. They're monetized and a huge part of the algorithm. Think of your long-form videos as your main meal and Shorts as delicious, bite-sized appetizers. How do you do it? Don't just chop up your long videos. Create original Shorts. A quick how-to tip, a what-if scenario, a behind-the-scenes glimpse. Use dynamic cuts, trending audio, and text overlays that capture attention in 7 to 15 seconds. The beauty of this? These Shorts are also perfect for TikTok and Instagram Reels. You film once, edit smart, and distribute across all 3. This is how you reach new audiences who might then jump over to your main YouTube channel for the deeper dive. A pro tip, always have a clear call to action in your Shorts, even if it's just full video on my channel. In a sea of content, your community is your anchor. In 2026, viewers want to feel connected, not just consumed. So engage, respond to comments, ask questions in your videos. Use the Community tab, it's massively underutilized. Run polls to ask what your next video should be about. Share behind-the-scenes updates or do Q&As. This makes your viewers feel heard and invested. Use YouTube's built-in interactive elements like poll cards. Pop up a quick poll during your video. And use end screens and cards. Don't just link to old videos. Link to relevant ones based on what they just watched. Live streams and premieres are great too. Even if you're small, scheduling a premiere for your new video creates a watch party vibe where you can interact in real time. This builds anticipation and loyalty. Remember, YouTube isn't just a broadcast platform, it's a social network. Treat your viewers like friends, not just numbers. Okay, SEO isn't dead, but it's evolving. In 2026, it's less about stuffing keywords and more about providing genuine value that Google and YouTube's AI can understand. Intent is king. Google's AI is incredibly sophisticated. It's looking at user intent. If someone searches how to fix a leaky tap UK, your video needs to actually show them step by step, using tools and methods relevant to a UK audience. Your titles and thumbnails are your storefront window. For titles, be clear, concise, and include your primary keyword, like how to grow tomatoes in a UK greenhouse 2026. But also add a compelling element, easy method or beginner's guide. Thumbnails should be bright, high contrast, with clear text, and show what the video is about. Use faces if it's appropriate. Make it impossible to ignore. For your descriptions and chapters, don't just paste your title. Write a proper description with related keywords. Crucially, use timestamps to create chapters. This helps Google understand your video structure and allows viewers to jump to relevant sections, increasing watch time and satisfaction. The takeaway is to think of the algorithm as a very smart librarian. Make it easy for it to categorize and recommend your book, which is your video. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, consistency and adaptability. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Find your rhythm. Whether it's once a week, once a fortnight, or once a month, pick an upload schedule you can stick to. It's quality over quantity, but consistency signals to the algorithm that you're serious. Don't burn out. This is key for sustainability. Batch filming, planning content in advance, and repurposing content like those shorts can save you a lot of time and effort. You have to adapt and learn. The YouTube landscape is constantly changing. What worked in 2024 won't necessarily work in 2026. Watch your analytics. What's working? What's not? Are viewers dropping off at a certain point? Learn from your data and don't be afraid to experiment with new formats or topics. And keep it fun. At the end of the day, if you're not enjoying it, your audience will feel it. Your passion is your superpower. So there you have it, 5 pillars to build a successful YouTube channel in 2026. From niche discovery to staying consistent. It's a journey, but with these strategies, you're well on your way. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Howto Guide 101 for more practical guides, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest YouTube goal for 2026? I'd love to hear from you.